Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here with Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
Where we try to turn tarnish into terrific.
Today we have a mid-1980s Kirby Heritage 2 vacuum cleaner. Well, this one looks like it's seen some better days. Let's put the power of the Flitz polish to the test. Let's save some time and speed up the process and grab the Flitz Buff Ball. Oh yeah, so much better. It makes polishing a breeze. Wow, will you look at that? The Flitz polish is removing that 30 plus years old oxidation. Well, there you have it. Will it shine? Yes, it will. Remember, when it comes time to cleaning, polishing, and protecting, just remember these two words: Flitz it.